Hey guys, it's John from John's DIY Playground. Today I wanted to review this EezTire tire pressure monitoring system I recently installed on my Grand Design Imagine travel trailer. I'll link to this system in Amazon in the video descriptions below. The one big point of interest I'll be showing you today is how I got the wheels on my trailer converted from the stock rubber valves to the metal ones. The metal ones are important so that the pressure sensors, which screw onto the valve stem ends of the tires, don't cause any damage to the stem while traveling down the road. So let's get started. You can see how the wireless display, which has its own built-in rechargeable battery, cycles through the 4 tire sensors I have set up with my trailer. It rotates from each tire every 6 seconds, displaying both the pressure and the temperature values. The display is backlit so you can read it easily, day or night. As I mentioned, we need to put metal valve stems on the wheels to prevent any damage going down the road. Not many local auto parts stores know much about metal valve stems, nor do they carry them in stock. You might try calling a local commercial truck tire shop to see if they can sell you some, or you can order them online. The basic thing to know about these stems is that there are really only 2 different sizes, based on the rim hole diameter. All trailer tires and small trucks will use the 5/8 inch diameter stems. The larger size out there is for really big tires, like the ones you put on tractors, that need a large valve opening to fill with copious amounts of air. This is what my stock valve stem looked like when I got started. Pretty much standard fare that you would see on most passenger cars and trucks. To get the old rubber valve out and the new metal valve in, we need to get part of the tire off the bead of the tire rim. For that, we use a tool from Harbor Freight, shown here. You can use wire clippers to cut the old tire valve off and then push it out through the rim, or pull it out from behind using a set of pliers. Then insert the new metal valve in from behind and use the washer and nut to secure it. If you're not comfortable with this step, you can call around to see what a tire store will charge to do this for you. It'll probably be $10 to $20 per tire, and the tire store will probably tell you to supply the metal stems yourself since they won't have them in stock. Here's the tricky part of the job, at least in my case. Because the rim of my tire's geometry sloped up around the stem without allowing much clearance, my stock washer didn't fit. So we had to trim part of the washer like you see here in this picture. Then it fit no problem, and I tightened the nut on top of it with an open wrench. This is how the finished product looks without the TPMS sensor on top of the valve. You can see now how that modified washer fits on the rim. Check for leaks with soapy water after refilling the tire and prior to putting it back on your trailer. One other tip I can share with you is to make sure you buy 5 metal stems and also convert your spare tire to the metal stem in case you need it down the road. A special thanks to my longtime friend Kevin for helping me with this project. I wouldn't have tried to do it without your help. So I hope you learned something from this video, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up. Also hit the subscribe button and the little bell to be notified of when I release new videos. This is John from John's DIY Playground. Have a great day.